everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at the RIO in Las Vegas, and this is a one king renovated room with a view, and I'm not sure how well it comes across in the video. This is actually quite a good size room, fairly large. And brand new, I think it's a 65-inch TV set. New couch, nice seating area. And looks like a fairly new telephone. And as a Hyatt Globalist, you get 2 bottles of water a day. And you also get breakfast covered at the Hash House. I need to clarify what the credit amount is. Some people have said it's $100 credit a day, 2 adults, 2 children. So we'll take a look at that a little bit later in the video. Stay tuned for that. And this is the couch or the seating area. And heat pumps in the corner here, thermostat. And we got a lamp here. One of the nice things in the many of the renovated hotels, they have USB and USB-C charging, which is nice. A lot of devices are moving over to that. Slide by the lamp here. And, oh, what do you know? So the clock radio also has USB-A and C charging, along with the lamp. It's got a large king bed. We'll see how that is to sleep on. Not sure if they change the mattresses as part of the renovation, but we'll see soon enough. Yeah, we got the bathroom sink, Nest bathroom amenities, and with the soap. Excuse me. Looks like a hairdryer in behind there, some outlets. And we got a closet here, ironing board. No coffee and tea machine here. And then we got a dresser, some drawers. And it looks like a fairly old safe that they've reused. And then there's another sink in the bathroom here. Oh, they do have the pump outs. Shower's quite nicely renovated. Feels like it might be new towels as well. All right. Let's take a look at some other parts of the hotel and breakfast that's included as a globalist. And appreciate the comments on the videos. Someone mentioned, I think on the MGM video, at the end I added sort of like a walk, how long it is to get to your car or to the strip. This hotel is off the strip, but what I will do is maybe I'll do a video walking from the room trying to get to the parking garage just so you can get an idea how far away it is. Rates right now, off-peak, off-season, are as low as $24 a night, plus a $40 resort fee. However, if you're a Hyatt Globalist, resort fees are waived, so pretty much the stay is going to be $24 plus a couple dollars in tax, and the free breakfast is included. So we'll see how that goes, and potentially earning some Hyatt points on the current promotion. And let's take a quick look at the daytime view from the room. This is one of the view rooms. And if I zoom in, you can see the strip. There's the Mirage, Treasure Island. And I'm not sure if that's the pool for the RIO. It's closed right now. I think they're doing some renovations on it. And then there's the high roller wheel, Caesar's Palace. Okay. Okay, it looks like that actually was the pool. So it is closed for the season. And they're actually doing some work on the deck surface right now. And the pool is just around the corner from the elevators. There's the main casino. And the hash house where the breakfast is, I'll just show you guys here, it's just down here. And here is the restaurant, not too busy. Open till 4:30 p.m. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a late breakfast. We'll see how the credit works. As a globalist with Hyatt, you get 2 adults, 2 children, so we'll see what the total credit is. And let's take a look at the breakfast menu at the hash house. Drinks on the other side of the menu. Ordered a large orange juice. Breakfast has arrived. We got a latte, almond milk latte. We got the orange juice, freshly squeezed. Got a fruit salad, and this is the main breakfast dish here. We got steak and eggs. Looks really good. All right, let's do some walking directions here from the room. It's actually all the way at the end of the hall, so you can get an idea how long these halls are. And we'll just walk down here. We'll take the elevator down to the lobby. We're on the 5th floor. Yeah, there's 2 banks of elevators. I'm going to take the bank, I think, to the left, because the bank to the right has a couple out of service. There's the bank over there, and then I think, actually, I think this one might be the one out of service. All right, so we arrived on the main floor, and let's walk over to the casino. Seems like a little bit later in the day, they have security set up at the elevators, checking everybody's key before they go up. Earlier in the day, it doesn't seem to be checked, but if you come back later in the evening, they're checking your keys before you go up in the elevator. I guess because the elevators don't have any key check. There's the Starbucks. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So it's It's over here. Hopefully all this copyrighted music doesn't cut out my commentary. So here's where you come in, the main entrance. And here is the express check-in. So if you checked in online, you can get your keys at the kiosk here. And then the regular check-in is just down here. So there's the regular check-in. And then as a Hyatt Globalist, or if you have status with the RIO, there's a VIP check-in down here to the left. They also call it a lounge, but it's there's really nothing in there other than a couple seats. And you can get bottled water down there too. And so the VIP check-in, not sure if it's open, but it's just up here on the right. VIP registration. And let's just take a quick peek in. And then there we go. So that's basically registration. And I'll keep rolling here, see if we can find the gym. Otherwise, I'm going to have to add that in later. Maybe it was where I came in. So you can either come in here. I'll show you where the parking is. Or you can actually come in further down because the garage is down here to the right. So this is the main drop-off entrance right here. And then, so there's the parking garage down there to the right. So we'll go through the casino down to the garage instead of just outside here. Pretty big drop-off area. There's a taxi pickup. And maybe we'll find the gym on the way. Otherwise, you guys can see how to get to the parking garage. So there is some self-parking. Okay, just continuing on here. So if you can make it to the hash house. Fitness center is to the right. Is it open? I don't know. It's looking kind of closed, maybe. Oh no, the pool's closed, but is the fitness center open? So the pool's closed, but this, you know, it's open. Okay, so the fitness center is open. Sorry guys, I didn't want to film. There were people in there, but there's some weights and cardio in the fitness center. Again, just across from the Hash House restaurant for breakfast. Fitness center right there. And the pool is open for the season now. It might just be open on weekends, at least the main pool. All right, there you go. I think that's going to wrap it up, guys. Not sure with the music in the background if this is going to... my commentary is going to get cut out. Thanks for watching. And if you stayed at the RIO, or if you're thinking of staying, feel free to drop a comment below. And just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.